My name is Maher Zawlala, and this is my micro lesson for the pronunciation lesson plan. Right, students. Now, from word stress, we're going to move on to something else, which is sentence stress. Sentence stress. So there is stress in words, but also there is stress in sentence. Some people call it intonation. All right, that we call intonation. All right, so, all right, it creates some kind of rhythm when we speak. Good. So I'm going to give you, ask you to write down a very common sentence people say everywhere. So, but I'm going to dictate it as if I were a robot. So I don't give you any hint of how you pronounce it. So here's a sentence. Please write it down. So, how are you? I repeat, how are you? 3 words, simple. I can see everybody is smiling because this is such a common sentence, such a common question. But, yeah, it makes you smile. But yeah, we can pronounce it in 3 different ways. All right. So I'm going to say it to you now in 3 different ways. And for each way, I want you to tell me, what do I mean? What I mean by saying that. What is my focus? Okay? Is that clear? So, 3 different ways and meaning. So, number 1. How are you? Number 2. How are you? Number 3. How are you? You see? You see? Yeah. Fun, isn't it? All right. So, let's go back to the number 1, please. All right. I said, what did I say? Yes, Jamil. Exactly. So, which word did I stress? You. What do you think my meaning is? What did I mean? Yeah. Well, I'm asking after you. Absolutely. I mean, yeah. That's the question. But yes, I mean exactly. I mean you, not you. I mean you, not someone else. All right. You see, that's the point. All right. The second number 2. The second one. Yes, I said. Yeah. Which word did I stress? The how. Why do you think I stress the how? All right. In which context do you think this happens? No? You cannot imagine? All right, I'm going to tell you the context, or possible context. So I tell someone, "How are you?" But instead of saying, "Well, I'm fine," what he says, "My name is X and X," right? Oh, and so I know, no, I didn't mean that. I said, "How are you?" Not "Who are you?" So it's how, not who. Clear? Right? You see, you have to be careful. Right. Number 3. Number 3. Which word did I stress? Tell me. It's the R. Exactly. Yeah. I said, how are you? And which means, what does it mean? Yeah, well, it means I'm asking after you. But why did I stress R and particularly? Well, it means, how are you now? Not how were you, in contrast to were. How are you now? You see? So the stress is on the verb and on the tense. Good. Right, we're going to move forward. It's fun, isn't it? Right? So we're going to move forward, and I'm going to give you an example, another set of sentences, which you're going to practice. And you're going to do it, to do the sentences, and then we'll check them. All right? So I want you to refer to your worksheet, which I gave you earlier, and it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences. But I'm going to do the first sentence with you. And before I start that, now every sentence, it's almost the same sentence, but every time we have an extra word. We add an extra word. We have you see, and then the sentence gets longer. Okay? So, refer to those sentences, please. Okay, those 5 sentences. But we're going to do the first one together. So the first one is very short. Okay, I'm going to do it for you. All right, and it says, I want a Coke. I want a Coke. Which word did I stress? I or want or Coke. Exactly. Coke. I stress Coke. Why do you think I stress Coke? No, I did it right, I did it unconsciously. It happens just like that. I mean, for me. Okay? So, exactly. It means I want a Coke, not a coffee, not a tea, not a juice. I want a Coke. Right? Good. Now, continue the rest of the sentences. Take some time, please. Okay? So remember, every sentence contains an addition built on the previous sentence. Okay? So, try to say the sentences to yourselves. Right? Alright, share with a peer. Talk together for some time. See if you agree or something. Okay, good. I think you've checked, you've practiced. Yeah, well, I was able to hear some very correct sentences, but sometimes you were not very sure which word to stress. But never mind. We're gonna check now. We're gonna check whole class. All right. So let's go back to number one, which I did for you just to show you. So the first one I said I want a Coke. I mean not a juice, or not an orange juice or whatever. Okay? Now the second one. Okay? Yes, go. Wow, that's it. I want a Diet Coke. That's very good. A Diet Coke. So you stress the word diet. So it's not any Coke, it's diet. It's not the non-diet Coke. I want the Diet Coke. Good. Very good. Yeah, the diet. That's a new word. So, number three. Number three. Good. Go ahead. Excellent. So he says the word sandwich. I want a Diet Coke and a sandwich. And he says the sandwich. I want a Diet Coke and a sandwich. Good. Thank you. That's very good. Number four. Number four. Yes, Amen. Go ahead, Amen. All right, good. Yes. I think it happened to you, naturally. Good. So, you said, I want a Diet Coke and a chicken sandwich. Very good. And he says the chicken. Good. Very good. Lovely. Correct. So he says the new word. All right. The last one. Yes? So, I want a Diet Coke and a, yes? And a chicken salad sandwich. A chicken salad sandwich. So you stress the salad. So I want a Diet Coke and a chicken salad sandwich. And you stress the word salad. Okay? Funny, isn't it? Huh? You see? So why do you think we need to put the stress on that word? Why? Maybe to convey to convey our interlocutor that it is the most important one. So it's not any word, it's that word, that particular word which I want. So if I say a chicken salad sandwich, I don't mean any chicken sandwich. It has to be chicken salad, right? Not chicken crispy sandwich, for example. If I say chicken sandwich, for example, yeah, it means not a tuna sandwich. Absolutely. Good. Excellent. If I say a Diet Coke, yes, I want a Diet Coke, it means not a non-Diet Coke. Okay? Right?